So we've just had this big beast dropped off for some work. Let's see. So stone recovered, instrument cluster missing, all the wires have been cut. So you've got the main cluster wires chopped off and the plug chopped. And then we've got the heads-up display wire cut off as well, and then we've also got the most fibre optic cable that's been cut. So what's happened is, obviously probably been parked up somewhere. They've come in and they've nicked the instrument cluster because they're worth about £1,000. It's a fully digital one. So the customer's bought one. We've virginized it, reset the mileage and the VIN. So what we've got to do is repair all these wires and install the instrument cluster. But so unlucky for me, the customer has bought an extra plug, but the colours are different. So what I'll have to do is I'll look up on the wire diagram what wires go where, what colours go where, and obviously make sure it's correct so we don't blow up the new instrument cluster. Sorry, not blow up, but you know, short circuit. So he's bought the heads-up display cable, which is fine. He also bought the fibre optic cable. We can't use that because it's been cut. So I've got one of these in stock already. So what you have to do to put this in, you've got to take all this this trim piece off, and then take off this piece here, the climate control, and behind there the fibre optic cable connects to the stereo, and it comes up and connects to the instrument cluster for the maps and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, well, we've got this car for a couple of days anyway. This has got dropped off tonight, so I'll try and see what I can do tonight, and we will go from there. Hopefully it's all straightforward. So yeah, let's get started. Right, Saturday morning, we're back. So the fibre optic cable that comes from the head unit, coming up here, that was cut. I tried to see if I could just replace the whole cable, but it seems like it's a bit of a big job because it all goes down, and I think it goes all into the wire loom, possibly near the body control module or something, I'm not sure, but I can't get it out from here. So I was able to find some connectors, done a repair on that. We've repaired the wiring here, obviously just needs insulating properly and stuff. Heads-up display, that's repaired. We just need to put some shielding sorry just got to put some shielding over that, and then going to test fit the instrument cluster, and hopefully everything works once it's coded. So we've got it connected up. So it's connected up. We've got a lot of fault codes and a red dot there. I mean, these will all go away once the instrument cluster is coded. We plugged it in and we've got no communications, and I thought, you know what, it's going to be a, well, could it be a faulty cluster? But then looked at the wiring diagram, and my CAN lines, the communication lines, are the wrong way around. So now we've got power. So I can close all this up now and hopefully give it to the customer in the next hour. Right, so that's the instrument cluster installed. We've repaired the MOST cable, the main harness, the heads-up display is wrong, so the customer's gonna have to get a new one and bring it back. We've got no fault codes on the diagnostics apart from the tailgate, which is not working properly. And the navigation isn't working either, so something is obviously happening with that. So what the other thing we've done is, because this car is from the auction, we've disabled all the other keys of the car just in case the previous owner has got a tracker in the car and decides to come and take the car one time at night. So we've disabled that, so there's only one key available for this. So yeah, that's it, job done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.